Welcome to Picking Principles. Today we're going to attempt to pick the Sparrows Practice Lock number 4 that has 4 security pins in it, all of which are serrated pins. We're going to use the 50 thousandths pry bar, top of the keyway tension. And I gotta say, I've noticed that in trying to practice pick this, it's been very challenging. I haven't figured out how much tension to use just yet. Nothing on 1, 2, little tiny click out of 3, nothing on 4, and nothing on 5. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. I think something's overset. Let's start over. Shake it up. Alright, so just try this with some moderate tension. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Gotta get under 5 there. I'm sure you can hear that. It's like a bunch of clicks, like 4 clicks out of 5. Back to the beginning. 1, little click out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the beginning here. Whoa! And 1 popped her open. So I must have a combination of some pins that are pretty close to one another in here. If you look at the bitting, 1, 2, and 3 look like they're all pretty much the same bitting. So when I was setting 4 and 5, I must have got those up to the shear line. Let's take this open. That's not very fun. And we'll take a look at the 4 security pins, serrated security pins that are in there. There's the end cap, retaining pin, and spring. Five key pins, all standard. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to take a look at the lengths on those, because if I'm correct, well, I mean, we looked at the keys, so we know that they're all pretty close. So that's unfortunate. This is the Sparrows raking, I think they called it, pin stack set. That's the blue key. I haven't raked it. I'm not a big fan. Might as well play the lottery if you're going to rake locks. So let's take out the driver pins now and see what we got. Oh, lots of serrations. I know I put it in, but I didn't really study it very closely when I did. So how many have we got there? 1, 2, 3 serrations with a decent little lip in 5. Sorry, that's 1. 2 is just a standard pin, which means the rest are all going to be serrated because there are 4 security pins in here. All right, so I'll give you a closer look. So, as promised, 5 standard key pins. The pin in 2 and the pin in 3 look to be almost identical in length. One's a little shorter, 4 is a little shorter still, and 5 is the shortest. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 serrated pins in every slot except for slot 2, which has got a standard pin, which I'm gonna repin and just put 5 in, I guess. Why not, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them or questions in the comment section below. Next lock we're going to open is the number 5. It's got 6 pins, and 5 of them are different security pins. Thank you very much. Have a great day.